All good with GSP? Sorry, GCP? Just I'm testing your attention only. Okay. Yes, Google Cloud database clear. Whoever practice clear. Okay. So please update in a resume Google Cloud points also. Not like more. Each concept 1 point. Database 1 point only. If you add AWS RDS 7 points, Google Cloud 6 points, Azure 7 points, database only resume fill. AWS is your primary skill. GCP is your single point. I have a knowledge on GCP VPC, AWS VPC, Azure VPC. Don't put like that. AWS your wish. GCP 1 point for entire networking. 1 point for database. 1 point for storage. 1 point for security and scaling and all. Enough. 4 points. That's it. Skills is there na skills page. There put different. I mean AWS skills you are writing right. S3, EC2, Lambda and all. Next put GCP and write GCP skills also. Like GCP, Cloud Computing Engine, database, networking, and like that. Same Azure also follow like that. Okay. Okay, all good then. Sir, will be possible to share resume for each experience style like 10 to 15 years? Yeah, definitely I'll share. But the worry is if I share the resume, everyone is copy paste the same resume, just renaming only. Already we have seen these cases, especially. Please, guys, that's what I'm not copying any. I'm not sharing any resume actually. Okay. So you can prepare, you can practice, you can prepare your resume. I have shared all the resume points, right? What you need to add in your resume, you can add. Template required, I will share. Sample template required, I will share. Okay. Yeah, definitely. I'll share the sample template. Okay. So yeah. Oh, let me delete this sandbox. Go to GCP. Is it right? While creating read replica, what it is saying that? No, no. My first question is, after creating read replica, are you able to insert data or not? Are you able to insert data? No. Yeah. First question is clear, right? Second question is, so the master data updating in read replica or not? Updating. Okay. And third question is, while promoting a read replica, still master is exist, not possible to promote, right? That's what you are saying, right? Master already there, so you are unable to promote read replica to as a master, right? What you are saying? Huh? GCP first we have to delete. Can you repeat? First promote read replica. See, same correct logic only, right? If you promote a read replica, for example, read replica master, right? Two masters are possible. Two masters are possible. Definitely should delete, right? Automatically, maybe GCP is not providing that feature. That's what I'm asking you to do that, right? But finally, one master should be there, right? If read replica is promoting, master is there, read replica is a master. Two masters not possible, right? Yeah, correct only. Yeah, maybe the process. AWS RDS automatically promote like a standby instance, standby master. But here not promoting, huh? Not promoting here. Have you tried to delete master? Then what about replica status at that time? No. Before promoting, after creating a replica, did you delete master or not? But that's what you need to do, right? Delete it, huh? Not able to delete, huh? No, database deletion option is your choice, right? Uh-huh. Okay, replica is already there, not possible to delete master, you are getting a delete database inside. Not instance, database. You are able to delete database, huh? Okay, maybe different strategy they are following. Anyway, whatever strategy they are following is correct. Okay. Finally, one master should be there. That's it. Either read replica promoting a master or, but here they are not promoting automatically. That's it only, right? Okay. First promote manually, then delete database. Okay. No problem. Hey, read replica, we can create one more. Yeah, we can create. Okay, let's go to home now. Which concept we can discuss today? NAT gateway. Okay. Then in that case, we can discuss NAT gateway, VPC peering and all. Okay. See guys, GCP, these concepts are very, very easy. One more time I'm saying, let me show you. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a two VPCs for VPC peering. One VPC inside public instance I'll create. One VPC inside private instance I'll create. Here this instance to second instance, I'm going to communicate through VPC peering. Okay. And then the private instance in the second VPC, unable to take internet. So the second instance, I'm going to attach a NAT gateway to get the internet. First instance, by the way, public, right? We don't need to worry. Clear the concept, what I'm trying to say. Okay. Paint required, huh? Okay, just wait, guys. Okay, let's go to here. Yeah. What I'm going to start here. So I'll create a two VPCs in GCP. One VPC, second VPC. In this VPC inside, I will create a one subnet. Inside, I will create a one public server. Public server means enable external IP only. If this VM is public, what about subnet? Public subnet or private subnet? Online team. So this is VPC. Okay. So US East 1 means US Central. Here I'm creating a subnet to this VPC. Yes, this is you can take US East something. Okay, different VPC. I mean, sorry, my bad. Okay. Clear now? VPC is global, right? So global two VPCs are there. One VPC inside subnet is US Central. One VPC inside subnet is US East. So I'm creating a here also one more server. This is private server. So always all subnets are private only. Here, if you enable this server public IP means this subnet is not public. If I disable public IP with this server, this subnet is not, not private. Always the subnets are private subnets only. So subnet level, we are not enabling any public and private concepts here. Instance level only, we are enabling public and private concepts. So in that case, subnets are ideal. So no public and all. Clear? So today, first we can do this setup. Then we can implement a peering connection. So with help of this peering connection, you can connect from this server to this server, right or not? Internally because of peering. Otherwise, if no peering, the request is not go and enter this server. This is private now. And later, I will attach NAT gateway to this private server to access internet. So this is a Google, for example. The request can access directly through NAT gateway to like this. Clear? Clear everyone? Let's get started the process. Still, if you are having any confusions to create VPC and all, have a look now. Okay. VPC. GCP, yeah, logs, GCP logs are there. So I'm creating a VPC A. So this is just MTU, maximum transmission unit. So the data flow only, the largest packet supported network flow only. Okay, inside the VPC, you can keep 1460 only. Next, I'm creating a subnet 1 VPC A. Region central I'm taking. So subnet range 10.000 by 24. So keep as is. And firewall rules, if you enable, these rules will apply for this entire VPC network. Clear? Okay, focus here what I'm doing here. Okay, I'm selecting first. See, understand this rule. Ingress apply to all from this 65,534. This means from this subnet internally can connect any resource. not from external, from this subnet. Source is 10.0.0.0 by 24. You may get all protocols, all traffic, how should be allowed. This is source is only from this subnet. This you no need to provide in AWS. AWS already main route table is routed from internally internet network. But here we have to select this. Next. This is for what? ICMP. ICMP means what? Just ping command. If you want to ping Google and all, only this. Okay. Next. This is for what? 3389 inside network. Any source can connect your database. Next. Inside network, any source can connect 22. Not inside, outside, sorry. 000, right? 000, yeah. If you give means anyone can connect this server if their hand key pair is there. Clear? Now, if I create a server in this network, server also gets same firewall rules. Right or not? Why? Firewall runs VPC level in GCP. That VPC inside subnet, if you create any instance, I mean Google Cloud Engine, that will be apply all firewall rules. How to control? I want to give only specific VM only this rule. I want to give only specific VM this rule. How to control? Hmm? How to control? Already discussed second class. Hmm? That is Azure. In GCP, if I want to provide this firewall rules to, I mean this rule to specific instance, how to? Very good. Tags. Network tags. Okay. I'll show now today also. Okay. My network is clear now. My network is clear now. I'm creating a VM. I'm creating a VM now. So yeah, here you can give instance one US Central only I'm creating. The reason my network also there in US Central OS and this is keep as is networking. I'm not going to create into default network. My end already my own network is there. My own network is what? VPCA this subnet. Now ephemeral, this is primary key pass is external. This server want to be a public. Just give external IP. If you give external IP none, this is private server completely. Next, go to security. This is just for service account concept. I'll explain. Allow default access for this server service account. Networking. Yeah. So if I select this network, automatically firewall is applied for this server. Clear? Why? My network, yeah, my firewall is attached to here. In that case, any server can create here that automatically connected to all servers. This is in GCP concept. But how to control? By using tags. This rule should be connected to only this server. Create a tag. Clear? I'll show now. Okay. Now, let's create a server. I'm creating a public server. instance created, right? Am I able to connect or not through SSH? Yes, the reason already SSH permissions applied for this firewall. Even you can check this instance which firewall is enabled. You can click, you can go here, networking. This is a networking. Click on this networking. Networking level firewall is applied, right? The firewall applied for this instance also. See these rules you have given, right? So these rules are applied for this firewall. This firewall is connected to this network. Server is created in this network, so automatically routed. Clear? You tell me, is there any HTTP HTTP traffic is there? No, right? Okay, I'll do one thing now. Let's go to instance. Let's connect this server. Okay. Okay. So guys, am I able to ping now? Yes. Why? ICMP rule already enable in the firewall, right? Ping. So this will possible to ping. Now you can see, click on this firewall. You can see ICMP. Understand? ICMP enable for allow for all traffic. Rule priority. Clear now? Ping only for ping from external or internal. Only ping. Okay. Next. So I'm going to install. Oh, this is Ubuntu. apt install Apache 2. Yes, I'm going to switch to network. There, maybe you may face some issue. I'm audible, guys. Okay, perfect. Just I'm checking sudo su hyphen apt install Apache 2. Already, okay. Systemctl status Apache 2. Okay, active running, right? Now how to access this instance public IP. My instance public IP. I'm unable to access. Why? HTTP port is not configured in the rules. You can see even. Is there an HTTP traffic is there? RDP, ICMP, SSH, VSP custom internally only. Clear now? Clear? No source is configured for external. In this case, what I need to do? Open this firewall, edit and add HTTP or create a new firewall and attach also fine. Okay, let's go to firewall now. Firewall rule. So now click on, okay. So creating a firewall rule now. Rule only creating, not firewall. So name I'm giving HTTP. Hello. Network is not default. HTTP why required for install Apache? It's internal configurations only, right? VPCA. So now this rule, okay, I'll explain. Huh? Source is what? 000 if you want to give. Which port is it is? 80. I'm giving like this. So 80 port enable if the request is coming from anywhere. And now this rule apply for VPCA. That is inside already firewall is there, right? VPCA. One more rule is going to be added in the VPCA. Now this is very important step. This rule only want to apply for specific instance or all instance in the network. All instance in the network means this rule is applied for every instance in the network. Your VPC inside, subnet inside, 100 servers are there. This will apply for 100 servers. I don't want to give all. I want to give specific tag. Give a tag is div. Just I'm giving a tag, sample tag, and save. Now tell me, rule created 80. Yeah, this is the rule. Now, here, go and access. Still unable to access. Why? Instance inside no tags are attached, right? Let's go to instance. So edit. Where is the network tag option? Tag name is what? Div. Save. Now, this HTTP rule only applied for this instance only, not enter all the servers inside the network. Why? I'm using specific tag. Clear? This is the concept. Is it is it possible to give only specific subnet also? No. Clear? Instance level managing here. But even understand one thing. If the server, if you are giving a tag, right, the server is in a different subnet also doesn't matter. You can give, right or not, inside this VPC. Yeah. Clear till here? Everyone? Okay. Next process. Let's connect this server again. No, already connected here. Sorry. Okay, I'm here now, right? Server inside. So now I want to connect a second server. That means private server. But first my private server is not there. So let's create a VPC now. Hmm? VPC level, not subnet level. See, while attaching firewall, we have only three options: a specific service account, or specific instance, specific tag, sorry, or all network. Three options only there. We don't have any specific option for only specific subnet. Okay. Yeah. I'm creating a subnet 2 in VPC P. Hmm? Simply remove this 2. You may confuse subnet VPC P. So region, I'm giving now US East. Okay. Subnet is region level, right? So I'm giving here different series. Conflicts may come. So again, when you create a VPC network, VPC firewall will be attached, right? Same. At give. These are the default activities. Create. So network created with firewall plus subnet. Mm, okay. Now VPC B also done. Let's launch a server. Instance to VPC B. Which region? US East. Networking. This is very important. If I give network tag dev, will it work? No, that is different VPC. This is different VPC. Not possible. Okay. So you can delete and add your network. Which network? I'm able to say VPC A also because of global. So, but we have to select your VPC, your subnet only. This is I'm giving now internal. That means private network. Clear? Clear. Yeah. CADR range should be different for VPC pairing. Otherwise, conflicts will come. Already discussed in AWS time, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's say connect instance 2 from instance 1. SSH root at the rate I'm using use. Both our same user, right? That's what. Sorry, I'm doing mistake actually here. I'm going to give private IP. Clear? So by using SSH, yeah, I'll explain that also. Wait. So I'm just doing this now. So what will happen now? So it is not allowing me to connect. First reason is what? Two reasons are there. Second reason is not work now. First reason is what? First reason is what? Why I'm unable to connect second instance. Huh? Both are in different VPCs. Request is unable to hit. If you are able to hit request, then you can give key and all. First request is not entered into the VPC to give a key for authentication and all, right or not? In this case, what I need to do? VPC peering. Let's go to create a VPC peering. VPC peering. VPC A to B. Which network? You can do like this also, or here which network you want to give, select A, which network target is B, also fine, or go to VPCs, VPC A, here also networking directly there, VPC networking peering. Click on that, you are already inside VPC A, right? So peering to, add peering to which VPC you can give? VPC A to B. So here which VPC you need to select? B, period 1. You no need to do anything, just give. Same Azure, Azure also same concept. Go to VPC, same. Next is what? Next I should go to VPC B. Again go to networking peering. Add peering. What should I do now? VPC B to A, right? Yeah, mutual is required. A. Done. You no need to do anything. Still it is creating. Successfully created. Active. Okay. Let's go to and give again same command. See, this time request is hit to second VPs and it is asking password and all. Anyway, request is able to go or not? That's what the problem. Here it is a request is hanging. Timeout error we got here. Not timeout error, you are able to hit the second server. Now it is asking what? Now if we give as permission denied, why now? Networking build is done, but permissions are not there. Permissions means what here? Key pair. So simple process. Can I generate SSH hyphen keys in? Okay, let's go on cd dot ssh ls idrsa public. Which key I need to add in my target server? Public key. Perfect. Clear now? This key you can add into the target server. Let's connect a target server directly now. So in GCP, you are able to connect target server even it is a private, right? Let's go to done, right? Let's go to bash and host means if you want to connect from external, bash and host is required. But for example, if you want to connect a private server, you should give your Google Cloud credentials, right? Right or not? But my team members are 4 members. I should not give my Google Cloud credentials. What should I give? I can give bash node credentials only. They can log in a bash node from their local laptop. From there to they will connect to instance. Definitely bash node is required, right? Okay. Now this is private server. Now I have login successfully. Let's try ping command. So I'm unable to access. This is private server, even no internet to reach the request. But ICMP protocol we have enabled, but still no internet, right? Okay. Now what we can do first, I'm unable to connect this server from my public server, right? So VPC peering I have done. So the reason is here key should be there. So which path key should be there, guys? Dot SSH ls. Here no key, right? What is the file name? VI authorized. Correct, huh? Hmm? Correct only, na? Yes, missing. Okay. Okay. Which key I need to copy paste? Public or private? Public. Public already there, right? Done, right? Again, you can try now. Permission denied. So what should I do? Chmod chmod 400. You can give all keys permissions. Done. Okay, let's go there also. Chmod. chmod 400 dot. Let's go. ls we have given permissions, right? Okay, I'll do one thing. chmod 400 dot. Cloud user. This is not required. It should work. Okay, I'll do one thing. Su hyphen. Let's try now from here. SSH. It should work. Okay, ls hyphen cd dot ssh. Let's try. ls hyphen la. Okay. What? Key generated from root, huh? Yeah, correct. Key generated from where? Root. Okay. So key uploaded into where? Then it should work, right? Then why it is not required? Which server it is? One, huh? This is two. Okay, let's connect one more time. I don't think so. Why this is. Cloud user only. So from here, I'm trying to connect. Okay. So in this case, SSH hyphen I is not required. Root private IP of the server. Permission denied public key. Ask. Let's wait. User to user, huh? But root also should work, right? Root also should work. Permission denied public key. Okay. Let's try now. cd.ssh ls id rsa dot public. Okay. chmod 700 or 777. Then connect. Didn't paste. Are you sure? VA cat authorized keys. I have pasted right. See root instance one only. It should work. chmod. Okay. I'll try instance 2 to instance 1. Even if it will not work. Permission denied. Permission denied. Okay, I'll do one thing. No firewall access. Key permission denied, right? That's not the thing. Okay, I'll do one thing. SSH hyphen keygen ls cd dot ssh ls cat idrsa dot public copy, and also let me give permission chmod 400 idrsa dot public private key also. Done. So let's go to second server. su hyphen usernames are same, right? So lscd dot ssh ls vi. This name is clear, correct or not? Authorized keys. Copy. Yeah, we already verified that, right? We'll see. Carefully we can copy without any gap. Instance 2 also chmod. Let's go to instance 1 now. Instance 1. Okay, so you can go one step back. So you can give the command ssh. So user, second user, both are same or not? Anyway, copy. Both are same users. And at the rate, the IP is correct 10012. Okay. Connected. Okay. So now you are inside of second server from public server, right or not? Okay. So now maybe root, why root is not accepting? We'll see. Okay, what next? You are able to successfully connected VPC peering. Let's run ping. Okay, ping. Why I'm unable to access? Second server. We have already tried before also, right? This is what private server. We are unable to access. Can we create NAT gateway now? Let's go to NAT. What cloud NAT? Okay, cloud NAT. Get started. Custom NAT. So public type, right? Network is required. Public type. Which route? VPCB, right? This is a private server is located. Cloud router, create a new router. You no need to do anything, just give the name only. Routings and all, everything taken care by Google Cloud itself. AWS we have to take care, but here you no need to do anything. So all subnet for custom subnet. So this NAT will apply for entire, this NAT will apply for in this network, enter all subnets or specific subnet you can select. Custom, a specific subnet. Then select your subnet, this one. That's it. You don't need to do anything. So this subnet instead only server is running, right? Again, this subnet instead all IPs or specific instance also we can give. So VPs inside this NAT will apply for all subnets or specific subnet. Subnet inside all servers or specific server. All options we have. Then that's it. NAT gateway process in Google Cloud. We no need to do anything. Running also. Let's go and now see getting response. Yeah. This is complete networking phase of GCP. VPC peering, NAT gateway, public network, private network, VPCs, global level, all firewall and all. You can ask any questions. So please practice today concept. Yeah. I have already shown you, right? Subnet inside specific instances IPs you can select. Yeah. My IP is 10.0.0.1.2, something is there, right? There you can select multiple IPs. Multiple IPs means multiple instances running. I'm able to see only one IP, the reason one instance only running. Clear everyone? So this is the story of Google Cloud Network and database. So tomorrow class, load balancer, auto scaling. So which cloud is easy? GCP always easy. You spend just 1 week, you can play with GCP. The reason is GCP is not easy. AWS knowledge you have, so that you can directly you can start GCP, then learning AWS is very painful. From GCP to AWS is painful. Understand, the candidates who learn GCP, if they want to learn AWS, lot of things need to spend, right? NAT, route table, internet gateway, routers, security groups, edit routes, NAT routes, so many things. That's what AWS is little difficult. Other clouds we can easily learn. Most of Azure GCP, almost they're managing so many things in the background. Azure, yeah, but first AWS GCP is good. Okay, let's go to storage. Storage also very easily we can understand. So same like AWS. So let me try now. Create a bucket. Bucket name should be unique. See, pick globally unique, permanent name. We can't change. So you can give. So continue. Costing and allowances they're giving here. Continue here. Multi-region. So highest available across largest area. If you can select multi-region. Dual region, I think you need to select two regions. Second region also. Multi-region, they will take care. Next. Again, so we have a four storage classes, right? First is what? Standard, infrequent, glacier, deep glacier, something is there, right? What about Azure? Azure hot, cold, two are there, right? Here also nearline, cold line, archive. But the concepts all are same. Names only different. Understand? See, cold line means less than once in a quarter. Archive means less than once in a year. Nearline means less than once in a month. Standard means frequently accessed data. That's it. Next, choose how to control access objects. Access control uniform, okay. Fine grain means ACLs. IAM, who can access and all. Continue. Yeah. When enable, the bucket and objects will be kept a specified period after they are deleted can be restored during this time. This is what? Soft delete policy. So use default retention days. After 7 days, automatically last 7 days that automatically delete, not required. Like that. So we have a concept in AWS. What was that? Life cycle rules. Custom retention means you can give 15 days, 20 days, whatever. So create. Public access will be prevented. Okay. So same configurations, permissions, protection, life cycle, observability, inventory reports, all are same, no difference. So bucket is creating. Bucket name should be unique. Yeah, this is my bucket. Okay. This is my bucket. See, upload, create folder. Check where it is. That's what I'm asking you. Don't ask me where it is replication count and all. I'm also new. If you take one concept and show me here in Google Cloud means had to have a time. Okay. You need to verify that, right? You know how to do it, right? Yeah. Don't ask everything trainer. Huh? If you ask me, sir, CloudFront invalidation, show me in the GCP. If you ask me that, that's what I'm saying. It will take time. Where it is, you need to search. Dashboard completely different, right? Options definitely enable. We have to find out the option they are giving and which name. I told you, right? 2 days back, someone is asking what is Firestore. I don't know. After checking in Google, Firestore is DynamoDB. Immediately I said I know in a matter of 30 minutes, 30 seconds. Definitely there. So this is what? Folder. So you can upload file, anything you want to give. Upload started. Done. See, file is uploaded. Clear now? You can open this file. So if you can hit this, I'm able to access. So like that, we have a storage classes. We have many things here. So download. Same file if you want, download. Okay, done. Cloud Shell, Google Cloud. I'm not understanding what you are asking. Yeah, I will show CLI process you are asking, right? I will show later. First we complete. Yeah, I will show. Yeah. CLI will show, Terraform I will show. Don't worry. These are the configurations, permissions. So public access, remove public access. I'm allowing here the name is completely different. Here prevent public access or remove prevent public access in GCP. In AWS, just box is there, check and uncheck only, right? Yeah. So these are the protections, soft delete options we have seen. Object versioning is off by default, right? You can enable. So max, see here, max number of versions per object. You can, okay, keep as is. Yeah, versioning is enabled. Now in this folder, okay. Wait, what happened? I don't know. This dashboard is. So we can see objects also display. Understand? Live objects you can see. You can click. Lot of options are there, so you can explore that. Okay. You can explore and sorry, what is this question? Veera, can you share the project details that you got for GCP? Like what is the project? It's just discussion period only. Recently I have discussed, right? Yesterday I think we got a one project. Just it's not in, it's just in discussion period only. We don't know the proposed architecture and all. It will take time. Okay. Just they said agreement only done. So we have a customer call in 10 days. After that, they may say something what exactly they are looking. It will take, guys, project phase, discussion phase, for onboarding to discussion phase, it will take months, 2-3 months also. So this is the bucket story. Versioning also we can enable. I like this live options, live objects. So you can see version history. This is versioning. See, ID is generated, non-current version. So even you can delete your object, you can take it back from version. Why this is shaking like this? Always. Plura set effect, huh? Anyway. We know always one thing refresh, right? So now, okay, so object is deleted, right? From where I will get this object back? Clear? Versioning back. So this is the process. You can check monitoring also. Monitoring will give just data, request count, number of requests, object size also they should give. They are not giving, they should give. They haven't given, yeah, no, object sizes they are not giving. Okay. Now today task is to you. So whatever I have explained, first complete it. And self-learning task is create S3 website hosting, static website hosting in S3, right? Create in Google Cloud. That's it. Your task is. Don't ask ChatGPT. I'll say like that, but I also verify ChatGPT. I too don't know. I forget. Very easy. Just 4 steps only. Do it. Okay. Clear today concept, everyone? Yeah. So tomorrow we'll see load balance and auto scaling. Bye bye.